Hello everybody. So, egg rolling 2021. For some of you, I know this will be the first time. So a quick how-to video. So step 1, hard boil an egg. This is a really important step. It must be hard boiled. Step 2, decorate your egg. Now it's up to you how to decorate your egg. You could just write your name on it or you can go all out. But remember, there will be a prize voted for by each class for the best decorated egg. The next thing we're going to do is head outside. So we're going to head outside to the amphitheatre as a class or possibly as a year group, depending on what your teachers want to do, in order for the egg rolling to take place. Once we get outside, you will all line up where you're asked to by your teachers, and one at a time, you will start to roll your eggs down the hill. As you can see, the hill we use is a little bit bumpy. And this is why it's so important that your eggs are hard boiled before you bring them in. Otherwise, they might not make it down. So egg rolling is happening on Wednesday, the 31st of March, and that is the day you need to bring your eggs in. If possible, it'd be wonderful you could donate £1 as well, and that will go towards the prizes. We hope you're looking forward to it as much as we are. We couldn't do it last year, and everyone at Cuxton enjoys egg rolling. So it should be lots and lots of fun next Wednesday.